আপনার জিপটা দেখান, জিপ বড় বড়, টোটাল ড্রাই টাং। পিপাসা বলছেন মোটামুটি আছে। মাঝে মাঝে লুজ মোশনটা হয়ে যাচ্ছে। Well, my friends, this is the case of a gentle lady, age about 70 years, brought to me by Dr. Shubhra Chalki. This is a serious case. 70 years old lady was already admitted in the Dreamland nursing home for complaints of pain and distension of abdomen, with anorexia, with poor food intake, with general weakness and nausea and vomiting. The patient had past history of recurrent hypoglycemia, peripheral neuropathy due to sufferings of old diabetes mellitus, and severe anemia. They have done many investigations, many laboratory procedures, and treated accordingly. They have done exploratory laparotomy followed by right-sided hemicolectomy, and iliotransverse anastomosis was done under general anesthesia in the month of August 2025. But the operation is very soon followed by disturbances of the patient, the tumor biopsy resulted in infiltrating adenocarcinoma. So this is a serious case. At present, the patient not having any intestinal function because the big intestinal tumor is operated. Tongue is totally dry, but thirst is there. There is frequent urging for stool, with passing a small quantity of stool, and after having a lot of allopathic treatment, our first prescription may be poison nut. So poison nut 30 few doses I do like to prescribe, and let's see the result, how much improve we can do for this poor patient. So in many times operations, removal of adhesive tumors does not give any relief to the patient permanently. It is temporary relief, very soon followed by a reappearance of the symptomatology and disturbances, cumbersome of the patient. So my advice to the general persons of the society: in gross pathological disorders, please hesitate for operation, wait, delay. Without operation, without removing, there is chance of continue or prolong the survival period of the person. If once operated, there is disturbance in the system, and very soon disturbing symptoms reappear. Unnecessarily wasted of money, disturbance in the health, in the normal physiological system, and there is not actual assurance or reassurance or safety of the life. So please remember this video. I do like to prescribe poison not 36 doses. I shall show you the result of this medicine and the conditions of the patient after few days.